What is up, my Volkswagen people? This is it. This is the last one. My Volkswagen collection is all online. I've got this book. I'm going to combine the last ones here. I've got this book here, Classic Volkswagens by Colin Burnham. It's a great read. I thought I knew about everything about Volkswagens. I do not. It's got wonderful pictures in it. It's just the nicest little book you've ever seen. Great information on all the Volkswagens. Ooh, you hear the spine cracking? Ooh, it's old. Ooh, really old. I bet there's no more Volkswagens in the junkyard anymore. They've all evaporated. Ooh, that looks like Cousin Jimmy's bug. The black one. Should have kept it and made it into a convertible, huh, Jimmy? But this is a great read. Great photographs. Really gives you a culture. The Krankenwagen. I'm probably not exaggerating. That's probably exactly how you say that. I would have loved a Volkswagen bus. They were always too expensive. Even back in the 80s. But that's it. That's the last thing in my Volkswagen collection. Got every single Volkswagen in there. You saw all the Kubel wagons, right? Ooh, yeah, that didn't age well. Tells you why they made it. Its influence in Europe and America. Look at the license plates. We didn't just have them here. These cars are loved all over the world. Go to Mexico sometime. See how much they love Volkswagen bugs, the air-cooled ones. And this picture. It's me. I got some weird lighting in here. I just got this as a gift. It's pretty old. It's always been in this saran wrap on this cardboard. Flip it over. Classic collection. Fits a frame. Power graphics. That's it. That's the last of my Volkswagen collection. You've seen all of these. Toys. And books and shirts. And this is it. But next, we're going to do 3D printing. I'm going to 3D print some stuff. Let you guys know what I think of it. So stay tuned. Subscribe and like. Love you.